Let me show you how we can disable TalkBack on the Realme Note 70T. But first I'm going to explain quickly how to navigate with TalkBack enabled. So if you have 3 buttons for navigation, you can tap on a button once in order to select it, and then double tap in order to confirm your selection. So over here we can, for example, go to background apps and we can close everything by tapping on clear all, and you can double tap in order to confirm. If you have gestures for navigation, then whatever gesture you do with just one finger, which might be, for example, swiping up from the bottom to go to the home screen, or swiping and holding your finger in the middle for a short while in order to go to the background apps, then in that case, when the TalkBack is enabled, you have to do that with 2 fingers. And essentially every gesture that we do on the smartphone has to be now performed with 2 fingers instead of 1. And it is literally everything. So scrolling, swiping, etc. 2 fingers instead of 1. So let's actually start from the home screen. We're going to start from the beginning over here. We're going to go to the app drawer. So I'm going to use 2 fingers to swipe up. And I'm going to tap on the settings once and then double tap. Alright, so once we are in settings, we can scroll down with 2 fingers, of course. And we need to tap on accessibility and convenience once and then double tap. There we go. Now we're going to tap on accessibility once and then double tap. Tap on TalkBack and double tap. Tap on the switcher and then double tap. Tap on the turn off and then double tap. And finally, it is now disabled. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.